Hey YouTube, I want to share a serious incident that happened with my Simonini Victor 1 Super engine on my Minimax. At the end of my last flight, the propeller hub completely separated from the reduction drive. Fortunately, no one was injured and there was no property damage, but this could have ended very differently. I'm sharing my experience to help others flying with this engine avoid a potentially dangerous situation. After a 2-hour flight, I taxied back to my hangar, set the parking brake, and was reaching for the ignition switch to shut off the engine when the prop hub suddenly separated from the reduction drive. I filmed this video right after it happened while everything was still fresh. The engine instantly surged to 10,000 RPM with no load on it, and even after turning off the ignition it kept running. Only after shutting off the fuel supply did the engine finally quit once the float bowl had emptied. Unfortunately, as the float bowl drained, the engine ran extremely lean, generating excessive heat that damaged both the cylinder and the piston. I reached out to Simonini and shared the video. After reviewing the incident, Simonini explained that the root cause was a design flaw in the propeller hub. It was originally intended only for pusher configurations where the thrust loads act in the opposite direction. In a tractor setup like mine, those forward-facing loads gradually caused the retaining clip to shear through the backside of the aluminum hub, eventually allowing the hub to move forward off of the reduction drive bearings. Paulo also noted that this part wasn't actually manufactured in-house by Simonini. It was supplied by a third-party manufacturer. That supplier has since acknowledged the issue and developed a redesigned pulley to resolve the problem. While Simonini didn't create the flawed design, they have taken full responsibility and assured me they'd make things right. Paulo Simonini provided the redesigned hub, engineered specifically for tractor applications at no charge, even though my engine was well out of warranty. He also included everything I needed to repair the engine: a new piston, rings, cylinder, water pump, bolts, and gaskets. On top of that, he gave me a substantial discount on a new Helix 3-bladed propeller and spinner. The discount alone exceeded the cost of my previous prop, so I'm genuinely satisfied and feel Simonini went above and beyond to make things right. The new hub is a much more robust design built to handle the forward thrust load seen in front-mounted setups like mine. On the back, it features a large threaded retaining ring that locks onto the pulley and is secured in place with 4 grub screws, significantly improving the retention compared to the original design. If you or someone you know is flying a Simonini Victor 1 engine in a tractor configuration, take a close look at that prop hub. If it's still the original pusher-style hub, ground the aircraft immediately and contact Simonini for a replacement. They've redesigned this hub for a reason. Just to be clear, this issue only affects tractor setups. Pushers are not affected by this failure mode. I was incredibly lucky that my failure happened on the ground. Don't wait for it to happen in flight. If you know someone with a Simonini Victor 1 and tractor configuration, call them now and send them this video. As far as I know, this is the only recorded case of this failure. By spreading the word, maybe we can ensure it stays that way. My engine is now repaired and ready to go back on the airplane, but I've decided to take this opportunity to redesign the engine mount on my Minimax. The airframe was originally built for a Herth F-33, and while I managed to shoehorn the Simonini Victor 1 Super in there, I think it's time to step back and do it right. I'll be building a proper custom mount and a new cowl to go with it. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Please share this video with anyone flying behind one of these engines. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.